Good morning, class 8. Here is answering for maths. We are in chapter percentage. As I have been telling you many times, percentage is a very important chapter, and the applications is very crucial in our life. Different types of questions are in this chapter. Now we have learned some questions regarding discount, profit and loss, what is CP and SP, like that. Today we will learn about the sales tax and value added tax, which is known as VAT. I suppose you might have heard the name VAT, and also you must have heard the name sales tax. Students, the state government imposes some taxes on the selling of commodities, and this sales tax, the tax that is imposed by the state government on the selling of items which are known as sales tax. The rate of sales tax is different for different states, that is fixed by the state government. This is a matter of state government. So the rate of sales tax is different for different states, and this tax is imposed on the selling of items. The rate of taxes are different for different commodities. In general, the sales tax for luxurious items are nearly more than the tax imposed on common commodities. It is generally between 4% to 16%, and you can know what are the rate of taxes in different states. But these days, what I have explained to you what is value added tax. The taxes imposed by the state government on the different commodities, and that is taken by the customer. That is taken by the shopkeeper, and that is paid by the customer. This price, selling price, is included all the taxes, whatever the tax imposed by the state government, that is known as value added tax. In short, we say VAT, value added taxes. In previous days, this was sales tax, but now the taxes imposed by the state government on different commodities, that is included in the selling price. The customer has not to pay extra tax, because whatever the price is written or marked on the item, that included all the taxes imposed by the government. and that is called VAT, value added tax. So it means the customer has to pay some extra money on purchasing the items, commodities, and as I told you, the rate of taxes is generally high in luxury items and less in case of common commodities. So these are the facts about the sales tax and value added tax. And you can understand the importance of this chapter. This chapter is generally used by every common people, and you will learn more and more when you advance to higher classes. But whatever we have learned, whatever I have explained, you should solve the questions in exercise 8E. And one question I have written. So I will explain one question. I have explained what is sales tax, what is VAT. So these taxes are imposed by the state government, not by central government. And I have also explained the rate of taxes is different for different commodities, and it changes from state to state, item to item. Now you see, you come to the questions. In question number 1, Rajendra purchased a pair of chappals worth rupees 99.95. And rate of sales tax is 7%. How much money will be paid by that fellow? This is the question. मैं समझता हूँ कि आप क्वेश्चन समझ रहे होंगे कि a person purchased a chappal, pair of chappals, cost price is 99.95, and on this item sales tax is 7%. Now you have to find what amount will be paid by the customer. My question is, you will try to answer कि the amount paid by the purchaser, by the person, will be more than 99.95 or less than? More than, because at the rate of this 7%, he has to pay more. So now we have to find how many rupees will he pay. So sales tax 7% of 99.95. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे and you will find how much tax will be given. 7% समझते ही होंगे, out of 100. If the cost is 100, so he has to pay 107. So 7 by 5 into 7 by 100 into 99.95. इसको कैंसिल करना है. 7 into, इसको 7 से इंटू कर लेते हैं. देखिए हम सिंपल सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 7 5 35 2, 7 9 63 and 2 65. No, 7 5 35 3. 7 9 63 and 3 66 6. 7 9 63, carry over 6. 7 9 63 and 6 69 upon 100. Now 20, so this point will move towards left. So this will be 6.9365. This is a very easy method to simplify. So I say if you want to change into a fraction and you change into simplest form and then you find the decimal, it will take a long time. But this is very simple method. So this tax he has to pay. So amount paid by him, So in this amount will be extra, that is sales tax. So 99.95 plus 6.9365. इसको हम प्लस कर लीजिए 99.95 and this is 6 point. On adding, you will be very careful. So this will be 5, this will be 6, 5, 3, 8, 31. No, 5, 3, 8, 9, 9, 8, 18, carry 1, 9, 6, 15, 1, 6, carry 1. 106.88. इतना ही लिख देते हैं and that is the amount. So this is the amount paid by the customer. So very simple. Only it looks the simplification is hard, but if you learn technique, and that can be learned by more practice. If you do more practice, you will learn new ideas to solve the question. So I repeat this question in very short. Question is a person purchased item, that is chappal 99.95. This is the price. And sales tax is imposed, as I told you. This is imposed levied by the state government. And that is different for different items in different states. 7%. So what is the 7% of this? We have simplified. We have got 6.9365. That is the sales tax given by the customer, and that will be taken by the shopkeeper. And later he paid the amount to the state government. So that is the question. Now you will try to solve one question. So I want to re-explain what is the sales tax. Number of taxes, income tax, custom duties, excise duties, or you will learn more in higher class. But now concentrate in sales tax. On the selling of the items, the state government imposed taxes on the selling of items. That is collected by the shopkeeper, and then he paid to the state government. That tax is sales tax. Rate of sales tax is different for different items in different states. Generally, the sales tax range between 4% to 16%. And in some state maybe 5%, maybe 6%, maybe 8% like that. And then he tried to collect from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper has to pay this amount to the. So question number 1, and value added tax. Now this is VAT. The taxes imposed by the state government, that is included in the selling price. We have not to pay extra amount. That paid is included in the selling price, whatever marked on the item, and that amount is paid by the shopkeeper to the state government. Person purchase, this is a question, you will try to solve the question of 8E, and then you will contact me. So that's all for today. Sales tax and VAT. we will try to solve. Thank you and have a nice day.